Hey guys, welcome to Trading with Dan. How are we all doing? Hope we had a great day. Great day for Bitcoin, guys. Hope we all made some good profits today. So yeah, over to the chart. So you can see we had our buy entry at around this 9,300 level. So we're currently $400 higher than that. So that's a great entry. This was the 2% first profit target came on this candle here. Stop loss on the remaining half break even, and then running the rest of this trade for the time being. Looks like we're bull flagging this out a bit. So the bot working very well for us today. That's great. My actual short trade I was working, basically I stopped out. My stop was literally around 9,700, which was, I think, what I did tell you guys yesterday was what worked out as my break-even price, based on the working of the position, the in and outs, and building up a little bit of profit. So it actually took what was in theory my average entry. So it obviously wasn't my entry 9,700, so obviously on my Bitmex account, my realized gains and then the actual the outstanding loss were equal. So it was the break-even point of the trade. So obviously those profits were in the bag, and I was sitting in gains on both sides, both realized and unrealized gains. But I mean, that's trading. I took my chance. I thought we were going to break down. I worked the position. Having said we've broken up, I mean, this may be the top and we then may go down, and in which case I'll have to look for another sell again. So my main account, break even trade, the bot account's a fantastic trade. So that's just a real quick update today. It's quite late over here in England now. I've just done another one of the Trading with Dan School of Trading videos, this time on chaos theory, sort of the butterfly effect, and then trading fractals, which is fractals are obviously part of calculus, part of chaos theory. So yeah, I've got a bit of a sore throat today. Let's hope it doesn't turn out to be the coronavirus or anything too serious, or even the normal flu, because obviously the normal flu is worse than the coronavirus, if you listen to the mainstream media. General markets, we had a continuation of our rally, that credit impulse. Apparently they've got a vaccine which they maybe be able to get to market in like 6 months or so. So markets rallying off that. Tesla, in fact, whilst we're here, we'll just have a quick peek at Tesla. It was correcting. See if we're under $800 still. Oh, well under there. So you can see Tesla on the 50-minute hit a sell trade, and then that was a 2% profit. But I mean, sat the 2% profit. You stop at your half the trade. And then running the rest of that trade, you're still in a great profit there. So there's the DMT on Tesla. Although, I mean, you're a brave man to sell Tesla, but if you just following the automated trading strategy. Obviously this isn't automated so far as my alerts are linked into the exchange, but it's automated if you do what it says. Basically, you're automated. You are free commerce then. You are the guy that's automating it. So let's see what happens here then. See if we carry on going up, which I seriously doubt we will, but you never know. But this does look to me like we had the blow off top. Well, it wasn't even. It looks like this on this 15-minute chart, so it doesn't look like much of a blow off top. But let's go back to obviously the daily, just to remind ourselves what we're dealing with here. So yeah, I mean, this looks a lot like Bitcoin. This is the the hockey stick, the J hook. Definite indecision candle there. As soon as you break below that indecision candle, sell. And there you go. Textbook trade there. But yes, I mean, like we saw with Bitcoin, you can maybe expect a another test up around here. I doubt we'll take out the top of this candle, so I mean everyone's gonna be looking to sell or a 10 million sell on Bitmex just then. Yeah, so not obviously in Tesla, on Bitcoin. Yeah, so yeah, people will be looking for a rally when all the FOMO buyers keep FOMO buying in, and then maybe a deeper sell-off. So that would just be my prediction, just based on previous price action I've seen in parabolic moves before, obviously like Bitcoin being one of them. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always consult a financial advisor before making any big trades or investments. Trading is risky. Any trade of money you can afford to lose and not lose sleep over. Yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, and I'll be back at you tomorrow with some more updates.